Hi students, today we are going to solve one equation. This is related to theory of equations problem. Solving the equation means finding the roots of the given quadratic equation. First I will write the equation here and we will see the procedure how to solve the given equation. So the problem it is, solve the equation 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4 is equal to 0. For this we have the order of the equation is 3, and so we get total number of roots will be 3. We are going to get final answer, and we are going to get 3 roots because highest order of this given equation is 3. Order of the equation is 3. So we are going to get 3 values for this. The solution we have, first we take the given equation as f of x equal to 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4. So the procedure for this, we have to substitute x equal to 1 by x. So in place of x, wherever we have, we are going to substitute it as 1 by x. So here 4 into 1 by x whole cube, wherever we have x, we are going to replace that with 1 by x. Minus 13x, we write 1 by x plus 4. So now if you take the LCM on the right hand side, we are going to get it as x cube will be the LCM, and we get 4 minus 13x minus 13x square plus 4x cube is equal to 0. So we write 4, this is we got when x equal to 1 by x. In the given equation we have 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4 equal to 0. First we have to check by random values, that if you substitute x equal to minus 1, whether the given equation LHS is becoming 0 or not. So that we can identify by substituting x equal to minus 1 value. X equal to minus 1, if you substitute, we can check by substituting x equal to minus 1, we get 4 into minus 1 cube minus 13 into minus 1 square minus 13 into minus 1 plus 4. So when we substitute this value in the LHS, whether we are going to get it is 0 or not, we are checking now. So 4 into minus 1 cube, odd power it is we have for the minus, so we are going to get it as minus only. Minus 13 into we have minus 1 square, even value, so we get it as 1, and minus 13 minus 1 itself plus 4. So in the next step, 4 into minus 1, we get it as minus 1, minus 13 into 1 minus 13, and for the third term which I have written in flower brackets, minus of minus, it will be plus 13 plus 4. So if you check here, this minus 13 plus 13 will get cancelled, it becomes 0. Minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled, we get it as overall LHS, it is going to become 0. That means for x equal to minus 1, f of x is becoming 0. So the given equation is reciprocal equation. So the given equation therefore we can write the given equation is reciprocal equation. It is reciprocal equation of class 1. So we have minus 1. For minus 1 the given f of x is becoming 0. So minus 1 is a root of the given equation. F of x, root of the given equation f of x, because when we substituted x equal to minus 1 we got f of x equal to 0. So we can say that minus 1 is one of the root of the given equation. Since minus 1 is one of the root of the given equation, we can take a factor, that bringing minus 1 on the left hand side we take it as x plus 1, that is a factor of f of x. That means when we divide f of x with x plus 1 we are going to get remainder is equal to 0. Now how we take in x plus 1 when we have root minus 1 means, that is suppose x plus 1 is equal to 0 we do, then we get x equal to minus 1, that is one of the factor. So if we bring this minus 1 on the left hand side it becomes plus, so we get x plus 1. That's how we take in x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, right. Now we are going to use the divide method, where we are going to divide the given equation f of x we have, which is nothing but 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4. This is the given equation. Just a minute. (13x plus 4). So we write this as a matrix form by taking 4 minus 13 minus 13 4, and we take here minus 1 is one of the root, so we take minus 1 on the left. Now we start from taking 0. In the first step we start with 0, adding 4 plus 0 we get it as 4. Now 4 into minus 1, we get minus 4. Now again we add minus 13 minus 4, same sign we have, so we get minus 17. Now we multiply this minus 17 with minus 1, minus of minus plus 17 we get. Again when we add minus 13 plus 17 we get it as 4. Next we multiply this 4 with minus 1, so 4 into minus 1 we get it as minus 4. If you add these two, 4 minus 1 we get it as 0. So we can understand from this that when we consider x plus 1 is a factor, when we divide the given f of x 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4 with x plus 1, we can see that here we got the remainder as 0. So now we can split the given f of x is 4x cube minus 13x square minus 13x plus 4 as x plus 1, because x plus 1 is one of the factor, into whatever the values we got here, this 4 minus 17 and plus 4 we take this from second order, because 1 we got already x to the power of 1 here. So we consider 4 as 4x square and minus 17 as minus 17x plus constant as 4. Okay. So how we have written this 4x square minus 17x plus 4 is from these values, these values. This is for 4x square and this is 4x square. For 17 it is minus 17x, and the constant it is 4. So 4x square minus 17x plus 4 we got. So now if you do simple finding the roots of 4x square minus 17x plus 4, then we get another 2 roots. So totally x equal to minus 1, another 2 roots for 4x square minus 17x plus 4. So totally we are going to get 3 roots. So finding the roots of this minus 4x square minus 17x plus 4 equal to 0 is simple, which we have done in earlier classes. So we can write 4x square minus 16x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. So 17x is split into minus 16x minus x. How we done it is, I think you already know, 4 into 4 it is 16. 16 into 1 it is 16. So 16 plus 1 17. So we have taken minus for both. So when we add this minus 16 minus 1, we get minus 17x. So now we take 4x common from this. So we left x. From minus 16, if you take 4x common, we left it is minus 4. And from the minus x plus 4, we take just minus 1 common. So we get it as, when we take minus 1 out common from minus x, we left only x. From 4 we take minus of minus plus, so we get minus 4 is equal to 0. This everything you have done in earlier classes. That's for x minus 4 is common. Then we have 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So from this, if you equate x minus 4 equal to 0 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x. We bring this minus 4 on the right hand side, so we get x equal to 4, 1 root it is called, and we bring this minus 1 on the right hand side, we get it as plus 1. X is equal to, now bring this 4 on the right hand side, it comes in the denominator, so we get x equal to 1 by 4. So totally the roots, first root we got, so all the roots we have, all the roots of f of x. First we got x equal to minus 1, then x equal to 4, then x equal to 1 by 4. So these are the roots of the given third order equation. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. We will solve further problems in the next classes. Thank you.